Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are man Polo shirt mockup. You can easily download from the link in the description, and here's my website GFX, and you can download from here. This is free to download. These are no password templates, and this mineral file you need to extract this, and here in this folder they are the GFX in the PSD format. So just give me a quick review. Here it is a completely customizable logo, tracks, shadows, and back, front, and so on. And you can drag and drop your own logo. Just double click, drop your own logo here, Control S, and it will be saved. So and so on. You can do this. This is completely customizable. You again logo here and so on. And here the other three format shirt mockup. Just wait for it to be open. And here is a single shirt with no background. You can design your output here, change color and so on. And here is the other shirt. Here, and there is the other third one. So this data is completely free to download. You just need to click on the link in the description and you can download from here. Thanks for watching this video. This data is quite useful for you. Take care.